Hi guys, I just did a bearing hub assembly replacement on my 1995 Jeep Cherokee XJ. This is the new one, and that's the old one. To do the replacement, all you need to do is, at the beginning, clean the threads on the bolt. Otherwise, you can't unfasten them and you can't pull them out. And to pull out the entire hub assembly, you need a clamp like this. But be really careful after removing this nut, because this whole thing, the whole assembly, will just fall out, and if you have oil inside the differential, it will go out and will leak, so you don't want to do that. And the other tip I wanted to give you is put the car in 4 low so you can actually pull it out and lock the shaft so it won't move around when you try to turn it.